So we know there are two methods to do analysis of trusses. One is method of joint, the other one is method of sections. So method of joint is very straightforward. So we just choose a joint with no more than two unknown force, then we put a force on the joint and we write down the two equations of equilibrium, then we can solve that force. But before we solve it, we don't know the direction of the force. So how can we put the force on the joint? So in most textbook, they suggest us that we can just assume all the member force are in tension. So look at this. So all the bar is in tension. And for this force, we can just put a force acting outward from the center of the joint. So this is the suggestion when we do the method of the joint to do analysis of trusses. But here there is a mistake very easily to make. Some of us even not to recognize it. So let me show you what is that. So look at these examples. So if we do analysis on the joint B, and then we draw the joint B over here. So we have joint B, and we put the external force P over here. Then we have two unknown member force. One is BC, a member BC. The other one is a member BA. So as we know, we need to put the force acting outward from the center of the joint. So some of you may mistakenly put the force like this. So for member BC, we put the force like this. So this is member BC, we say this is member BC. And for member BA, we know we need to put a force acting outwards like this. This is member force for member BA. But this is wrong. Why? Because look at this force. So look at the FBC, FBA. All these forces are push the joint. So push the joint. That means in return, the joint will compress the members. That means the members are in compression. So this is opposite to our assumption that all bar members are in tension. So the correct way is that we draw the force on the joint is that, yes, we must draw the force outwards from the center of the joint, but like this way. So this is correct way to draw the force FBC. This is correct way to draw the force FBA. So we must make sure the force FBC or FB are on the members. So FBC on the members, FBA on the members, and go outward from the center of joint. So that means in this suggestion, there's a hidden point that the force is on the bar members. Okay, so this is a hidden mistake easily to make. That's all.